shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Cameraman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whisper for October 15th. We are going to start with the SPY. So yesterday, told you to keep an eye on this really large level dark pool that we had at 352.45. And yep, I said if we close below it, that's going to be bearish. And we did. So hope you guys put on some protection last night. We are below this next level, 346.77. And if we stay below that today, it's going to be more bearish. We have another level just below us, 343.75. Yep, if we go below that, even more bearish. So we like to trade level to level, and we'll see how it is earnings season. So the market is not liking the results so far. Let's just go with it. So let's just start with the SPY. We will be bearish. Bullish above 347.50 for a retracement trade back to the pivot. This is just for a day trade. Bear below 343. Let's go to the Russell. Right, the Russell also below that 8 EMA on the daily chart. So I'm only going to be bullish above the 4 EMA. Yep, I see this trade to the upside, and I'm going to be bearish below 159. We should start to make our way down to this 158. The 15 EMA is the next moving average. That's where computers will be loaded to buy, wherever that is. It does move. Right? Hopefully everybody has that. Everybody have the 15 EMA, exponential moving average on their daily chart. Really good. So if the Russell moves down, it will start to bend lower, which is why I put it right here at about 157.50. But wherever it is, good place to take profit on the short side. Let's go to the QQQs. All right, the Qs. We are still above some major levels on the Qs. And we're just below a couple of them here. So we're below this 294 recent one. 285 is just below us, 285.73. Just keep that in mind for swing trading. Yep, if we close below that, that's going to be bearish. But for today, for day trading, bullish above 290 for a retracement trade to person's pivot, and bear below 286.50. All right, going down, but watch those dark pool levels. Let's go to the E-minis. Bullish above 34.52.50 and bear below 34.38. We are below that right now. Yep, heading down, and look where we're going. We're going down to that 15 EMA. And again, they're going to take it down. It's going to bounce. The second test, if it doesn't hold, then we'll go to the next one and then the next one. And that's really how the market takes the steps down. Let's go to the NASDAQ futures. Bullish above 11,925 and bear below 11,725. We are below that right now, which is why I send you guys these out individually as soon as I'm done with them in the morning. I know these futures are moving. Let's go to the oil futures. Those are also moving lower. Let's head on over to the weekly chart for a moment. And yeah, you see, we're doing exactly what seasonality says we're going to do this time of year, which is go sideways. Yep. And then normally we go down after that. That's just the seasonality. But yeah, so it's been a sideways consolidation. We hit this upper resistance and pulling back in the bigger picture. Let's go to the 5-minute for the day trade. We're going to be bullish above 40.37. Right here, and this is, a retracement to person's pivot. We're going to be bearish below 40. We've already gone below that. Let's see where our targets are. 39.50 got hit. So we still have 39.36, and if we don't hold that, look out. S3 is all the way down here at 38. That could happen really quickly. All right, let's go to those gold futures. Also pulling back this morning, we're going to be bullish above 19.15, really high up. I just didn't like the trade in here. Yeah, too many traffic lights. The downward trade is much easier today. Bear below 18.90. Just watch out for this S1, and then if we don't hold that, there's a lot of room below till we go to this Camarilla. So bear below 1890. All right, let's go to the individual stocks. The biggest winner yesterday, NIO. I know so many of the traders rock this one, so congratulations. Fantastic. Yeah, looks like it's hot again today, guys. Bullish above 28. I did see a seller on the ARCA book this morning at 27.90. That's why I picked the 28. Doesn't mean you can't get in. You know, if you learn how to trade and you know how to map these things out by yourself, you can always pick another level. Let me just see if there's anything really great. No, it's a tough trade going up right now as far as levels. You got 28, but 28 is going to be resistance. So that would be your first target if you entered there. I like this trade this morning. We were a little bit higher up. So there was room there, but now we have all these traffic lights. All right, bear below 26.50 for a retracement trade down to the pivot for NIO. Let's go to Tesla. That was another big winner yesterday. Looks like it ran out of gas this morning. Yeah, Doji just sitting right on the 4 EMA right now on the daily chart. I'm going to be bullish above 460, and I'm going to be bear below 448, and we are testing that right now for a retracement trade. Yeah, most likely go down to the 8 EMA. Let's go to silver. Yeah, we've had lots of prints on silver. We're in between the prints. We've had a 5 million print at 21.42 right here. That was the biggest one. We had prints at 21.91, 1.5 million. And then we had some recent prints at 22.50, which were below. So you can see we're kind of sandwiched in between these prints. We're going to be bullish today above 22.53. Yep, if we go above that last print up top. We'll be bullish. Not an easy trade, though. A couple of Camarillas, but we're going to be bearish below 22. Much easier trade to the downside, possibly. All right, let's go to plug. Plug, we're going to be bullish above 17.50, and we're going to be bearish below 15.80. For plug. We'll see if that's a good one today. Lots of volume. Bank of America was a great whisper yesterday after earnings. Yeah, continued weakness. The banks are not doing well. This is where you want to short right now. Bullish above 24 for retracement trade. Yeah, I don't like the bull above. I'm really liking the bear below 23.25 level. All right, let's go to Walgreens. WBA had earnings. And yeah, kind of been all over the place this morning. We're going to be bullish above 37.50, and we're going to be bearish below 36 for WBA. Let's go to LI Auto. That was another good whisper yesterday. And yeah, it upthrusted. Yeah, this is an upthrust candle. Usually what they like to do is retrace it back to the 4 EMA and bounce. That's a very popular pattern. So today, we're going to be bullish above 21.37 and bear below 19.80. Yeah, if it does go below this 4 EMA, that's our next trade to the short side. Let's go to GLD. Lots of prints on this yesterday. It's definitely in splash mode. We'll be bullish above 179.20 if we go above those prints from yesterday, and then bearish below 177.25 to the downside. Morgan Stanley had earnings. I thought they were yesterday. Sorry about that. They are today. Bullish above 51.25 and bear below 50, which we just went below. Yeah, you notice the pattern. The banks start up and then they crash down. Goldman, they all did it. Wells Fargo, Bank of America, Goldman Sachs. Yeah, that's always the pattern for some reason. So we were expecting it, but great to see it come to fruition. All right, there are your whispers for October 15th. Until next time, happy trading, everybody.
No thinking, that's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. secret.